Good morning. Time for Pioneer Update, brought to you by the Citizens Bank. Citizens Bank serving you from headquarters in Batesville. A lot of banks across Arkansas now serving just about the entire state of Arkansas. With us today, we're going to do a little technology. We're going to be technical today, Mr. Cheston Cooper. First of all, let me congratulate you and your wife on your, 13th anniversary?
13 years yesterday.
13 years yesterday. That's great. 2 children.
2 children.
And a staff that is now complete.
Absolutely. There's 4 tech guys. I have myself, I have a network admin, and 2 computer technicians. Mm-hmm. They do a good job keeping us running.
School nowadays is moving more and more toward almost complete technology. I can foresee the day when we may not see a textbook again.
Well, we're pretty close to that now. I think most of the main books we use now are pretty much library books. So.
Uh-huh. And, of course, they go to the Internet, get what they need a great deal of the time.
Yes, Google's our main classroom platform, and so all of our students use Google Classroom for a good majority of their assignments, and our instructors pass those out to our students that way.
Speaking of technology, have you gotten Wi-Fi added to all the buses now?
Yes, actually, our last 2 buses had Wi-Fi added to them Saturday, so now we have Wi-Fi on every bus, including our trip buses, so if students need to use the Internet while they're on their way home or going to a game or something like that, they have the ability to do so.
Just keeps improving. Or most things are Chromebook-based?
Yes, just about everything that we use district-wide is Chromebooks. Mm-hmm. In fact, we also have got everybody up to Lenovo Chromebooks. So we had a mixture of brands across the district. We have a few more coming in. We had one more window for our emergency connectivity funding grant, and that allowed us to purchase 400 more. Mm-hmm. And so we're going to take those 400 and distribute those out to our last 2 schools. So when all's said and done, every student should have at least one Lenovo Gen Chromebooks, and then we'll have our old HPs and Dells for loaners in case they have damages or something like that.
Yeah, so really what you're talking about is well over 3,000 Chromebooks.
Including the loaners, I think we have somewhere about 4,500.
About 4,500 Chromebooks that you've got to keep up with. Yes. Goodness.
My guys stay very busy.
Yes, I'm sure they do, because something's wrong with my Chromebook. I can just hear it now, And, of course, with all this work, you need to be fully staffed, and you are. Tell us about your latest hire.
Well, we lost Caleb Burden at the first part of June, or July, and then August 1st, we hired Samuel Collins. He's a Batesville native, so he was working at a job in Newport, and so we're able to glad we were able to get him back home and save him a little bit of that gas money traveling back and forth.
Cut his commute, didn't you?
Absolutely.
I'm sure he enjoys that. Well, good to have him on board. And on a closing thought, Cheston, let's talk about the new wiring at Sulphur Rock.
Oh, yes. We were able to use our E-rate funds this year, and we replaced all of the old wiring in our Sulphur Rock campus. So they went from Cat 4, which is kind of like one of the first types of networking cable. Mm-hmm. Now they're all Cat 6, so their network speeds there should be greatly improved.
So their speed has increased tremendously.
Yes, sir.
I don't think you'll make anybody mad with more speed.
No, I don't think anybody ever gets upset when their internet's faster. So.
Our guest today, the tech man, Cheston Cooper. Thank you, Cheston.
Thank you.